today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AutoDS to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll have your TikTok Shop linked to AutoDS so you can streamline product management and order fulfillment. Before we begin, make sure you're using a reliable desktop browser. You can sign in to AutoDS with a Google account and you have a valid payment method ready. If you already manage a TikTok Shop, keep your seller login details handy. Also, allow pop-ups for a smoother connection process. Start by heading to the official AutoDS website in your browser. On the home page, choose to sign in with Google. This is the quickest way to get inside the platform without creating a separate password. If your browser prompts you to choose a Google account, pick the one you want linked to AutoDS. Once you're in, AutoDS will immediately ask you to select your selling channel. Choose TikTok Shop. This tells AutoDS exactly which marketplace you plan to connect and manage. Next, AutoDS will prompt you to subscribe to a plan. Review the plan options and select the one that best matches your expected order volume and features. Click your preferred plan, choose your payment method, and follow the on-screen prompts. Enter your payment details carefully, making sure your billing address and card or account information are accurate. Take a moment to confirm the billing cycle so there are no surprises later. When everything looks correct, submit the payment to activate your subscription. After your plan is active, AutoDS will guide you to log into your TikTok Shop account. Use the same region and credentials you use for your seller operations to avoid any mismatch. If TikTok Shop asks you to grant permissions, review them and confirm so AutoDS can sync your store data securely. When the login is successful, you'll be redirected back to the AutoDS dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the option to add a store. Click Add Store, then select TikTok Shop. If you manage multiple shops, choose the correct one you want to connect. AutoDS will finalize the link and display your store status. That's it, your TikTok Shop is now connected to AutoDS, and you're ready to start importing products, optimizing listings, and managing orders in one place. If something doesn't load, refresh the page, ensure pop-ups are allowed, or try a different browser. With the connection complete, you can focus on growing your shop while AutoDS handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes.